Virus pandemic, 150 people have now died from COVID-19 here in Rhode Island. This as the number of new positive cases declines. Here's a look at what we know tonight. The health department says 13 more people have died. 11 of them lived in nursing homes. There are also 230 new COVID-19 cases, bringing the state's total now to more than 4,700. This is the second day in a row that cases declined, but Governor Gina Raimondo says this might just be because fewer people get tested on the weekend. Currently, 254 people are in the hospital with COVID-19. And today, the governor says the state is continuing to expand testing and is also taking steps to address the impact coronavirus is having on communities of color. Eyewitness News reporter Anita Buffoni joins us live now in Providence with the details on those plans. Anita.
That's right, Kim. Rhode Island's first walk-up testing center is here at the Bailey Elementary School in Providence. Testing will begin here on Tuesday, but an appointment is required through a healthcare provider. Data shows 45% of all positive coronavirus cases in Rhode Island are among the Latino community. Governor Gina Raimondo and the Department of Health are now trying to determine why.
It is our core principle through this whole crisis that we have an inclusive approach and work overtime to make sure that everybody has health care, everybody's included in our response.
In hopes to increase accessibility to testing, the walk-up testing site was strategically set up in the Elmwood neighborhood of Providence.
We've selected the Bailey Elementary School because it's centrally located in an area of Providence where a lot of folks might not have a car, they might not be able to get up to the Twin Rivers site.
Patients will also be able to drive up to the testing site, which aims to test about 40 people per day. Mayor Jorge Elorza said in a statement, as we continue to see the spread of COVID-19 throughout our state, it is critical that everyone have access to the medical test and care they need. That's why we are working with our community partners to provide care that is easy to get to and offered in multiple languages. This weekend, the governor's face covering order went into effect. State inspectors did random spot checks at about 200 businesses Saturday, making sure they are following the new rules. Raimondo says employees and customers were complying but gave new guidance on the mandates.
Every Rhode Islander is ordered to wear a cloth face covering your nose and your mouth every time you're in any retail operation.
Dr. James McDonald with the Department of Health says face coverings are key to protecting others from contracting the virus.
Sometimes people are carrying the COVID-19 virus and we don't have symptoms. So when you don't know what you don't know, you might hurt people.
And as for the stay-at-home order, Governor Raimondo told reporters Sunday she is aiming not to renew it after it expires on May 8th. Live in Providence, I'm Anita Buffoni, Eyewitness News.